We're in a unique situation right now where the DESI instrument is shut down on the mountain. So we have to ensure that the instrument stays safe. And part of that safety is ensuring that it stays dry and no condensation forms. So we're installing a module to plug onto the side of the instrument that carries about 5 pounds of desiccant, a material that absorbs moisture. So I have a complete CAD model of the telescope, the building the telescope is in, and our DESI instrument itself. And in the CAD model, in the computer aided design SolidWorks model, I develop a design, lay it all out. I have design reviews with my fellow engineers by Zoom meeting, and then send the models to vendors online who can take the solid model and turn it into an actual piece of aluminum, machined aluminum, or 3D printed plastic. These vendors, I have them sent to my home address where I can test fit all the parts, verify they fit, verify that things look like they're going to work right, assemble them, and ship them off to Kitt Peak, Arizona for the telescope maintenance crew to install.